Altina bonket, altina bonket. That's what it's in there. Today we'll talk about driver's signal, driver's hand signal. Normally we are talking about the driver's hand signal. For them, I people the way they don't decide to they don't ever change traffic on motor. And they see some motor they work up here where traffic or no day. I mean say they don't move and totally they ever exist now exist. So the one that una not to say una fit use una hand for talk for other road users. The first one we will go talk here the left turn. If you see left turn, you just move your hand, you point down for outside. It means say you return left turn. But now when you want to go right, you know go move your hand and the other side window now. You don't need to check your hand for up. So I'm saying I'm going left, I'm turning right, I'm going left. You see the difference? Left, right. That is the hand signal. And then braking or stopping. You just send your hand down low, as you see here on the image here. Slowing down or stopping. Now you have overtaking. When you want to overtake, a hand gesture from top to bottom is telling you that you are overtaking. It's mostly for the person that you are is behind you, so that he sees very well that you're about to take out to overtake. That's in case you don't have your traffic. We are talking to those kabu driver that people no traffic anymore. There is also a technique you can use. Then the normal you're sorry is just 2 finger peace. You know, this one is the wall mark for peace. Say peace, and then thank you.
When you are driving, why are you sorry? Sorry for what?
Sorry for misbehaving. Some people do really misbehave. Some man will come up with some very, very bad way. If you reach some corner, some man come out anyhow. You ain't one hand like you may hand to. It means sorry for drivers.
Okay, so what am I making hand for this? You need a question?
No, do one to sorry. It don't say sorry, pa. We just then only we two no tire. Then thank you. Just 2 very short horns. Baby, that is thank you. That is what most drivers know. When they are happy, they have some of you want kind of get traffic but you stop now, facilitate the passage. You want to go, you say, people, for you say thank you.
I mean, say that noise you never boy, that way tongue, I say thank you.
No, that one boy, that one disturbance. Because some two talk say short side. So simple. Left turn, you remove your hand and you point. Right turn, you slant your hand upwards. Braking, put your hands down, and then overtaking, hand gesture from top to bottom, as you can see there. I'm sorry, 2 finger. Thank you, bye bye. So my own thank you now. Beep beep.